How to join Bilibili Premium membership. First of all, open the app on your device. Once the app is open, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile. Next, look for the Join Premium section in your profile. Tap on it to view the available premium plans. You will see different membership options including monthly or yearly subscriptions. Review the benefits of each plan such as ad-free viewing, exclusive content, early access to episodes, and bonus perks. After selecting the plan you want, tap on the Subscribe Now button. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. You can pay using available methods such as credit or debit cards, digital wallets, or App Store payment options depending on your device. Once the payment is successful, your Bilibili Premium membership will be activated. You can now enjoy ad-free videos, special features, exclusive content, and other premium perks. Now you know how to join Bilibili Premium membership. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.